Hey everyone, Milestone 1 was a compiler, the ZK circuit is a basic CLI. Milestone 2 is a privacy debugger with ZK mocking on the Stylus SDK integration with real contract deployed on Arbitrum Sepolia. For quick recap, ZeroStyl is an open source Rust toolkit for writing privacy native smart contract on Arbitrum. We have three circuits. State mask for launch proof, takes privacy for private transfer, and private vote for anonymous voting. Now let's start with the inspect command. It do a static analysis of the circuit, no proof generation, no cryptographic computation. Okay, ZeroStyl debug inspect circuit state mask. The state mask circuit run with k equal 10, 1024 row in the control table, 20 column total, 11 advice, 1 instance, 8 fixed. Some in internal gates, those are the Poseidon gates and 1 check, and 20 control total. Now the next command is the schema. The schema command gives a semantic view of the circuit, the public and private input with their business level type. ZeroStyl debug schema. Okay. Now we see the 5 input: state value, nonce, collateral ratio, hidden balance as private, and threshold as public. The circuit verifies three things: commitment equal Poseidon of state underscore value and nonce, collateral ratio in the range between 150 and 300, and hidden balance greater than threshold. Okay, the next command is witness. The witness command loads the JSON witness file and displays the value with immediate validation. ZeroStyl debug witness. Okay. Okay. We see the value. State value equal 42. Nonce equal 123. Collateral ratio equal 200. Inside the allowed range between 150 and 300. Hidden balance equal 500, greater than the threshold of 100. Everything is valid. Now the next command is debug. This is the main command. This is where we use Halo2 mock prover instead of generating a real cryptographic proof, which will take 10 of seconds. The mock prover simulates verification instantly. This is what they call ZK mocking. Okay, ZeroStyl debug. Okay, zero violation, the circuit accept. Now I witness with the wrong commitment. Okay, two violation. The debugger point exactly to the gate commitment. Row 36 and 0 with a message that explains what's wrong. Without mock prover, you just get a cryptographic error with no explanation. Now, the concrete metrics. I have a benchmark that compares the debugger output quality across the real scenario. Okay. Across 5 metrics, minus 45% line of average, minus 74% noise, minus 61% nesting depth, minus 95% character to gate name, minus 90% in the cell value section. And most importantly, 3 out of 3 scenario was the debugger identifies the problem precisely versus 0 out of 3 with raw Halo2 output. Let's move to the contract. we have 5 contracts deployed on Arbitrum Sepolia, all written with a Stylus SDK version 0.9 in Rust, compiled to Rust. The size of the state mass verifier contract in optimized Rust. I show that. Contract state mass verifier target release state mass verifier Rust. Okay. 49 kilobytes. That's a Rust contract compiled to Rust with real ZK constraints inside. All contracts are deployed. The address of each contract is available on the GitHub repository and can be viewed on Arbiscan Sepolia. Finally, here is how to generate and verify real Halo 2 proof with ZeroStyl proof generate circuit state mask witness state map valid JSON output proof dot pin. Okay, the CLI first generates the IPA parameter cached after the first time, then the proving key on the verifying key. The proof is 3520 bytes. Now I verify that with ZeroStyl proof verify circuit state mask proof bin input public JSON. Okay, proof is valid. The cryptographic proof is correct. Okay, that's Milestone 2. To summarize, a complete SDK debugger with 4 commands, ZK mocking via mock prover that identify violation in milliseconds instead of 10 of second, 5 Stylus contract deployed on Sepolia with real privacy mechanism and concrete metrics showing the improvement in debug quality. The Milestone 3 will be about automatic circuit generation from GSL and full integration with on-chain verification when Stylus lifts the WASP size limit. If you have questions, links are in the description. See you next time.